Good morning, guys. One question a lot of people ask me is, how do you afford to travel this much? I can tell you for a fact I'd never pay full price for a flight ticket, and I'll just tell you a few tips and tricks that you can do to get your tickets for cheap. So keep watching if you are interested. Guys, I'm currently in South Africa filming this video for you. That is to show, of course, I love you guys, and just as a little appreciation for my new subscribers, I'll tell you how I do it. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick disclaimer, this is not the only way you can do traveling for cheap. These are methods that have worked for me and I think it would be good to share. And again, some of it is common knowledge, but I was quite surprised by the amount of people that I didn't know. I'm just gonna tell you so you guys don't have to break the bank in order to explore and travel to your favorite countries or cities in the world. Oh, please note, this video is not sponsored by anybody. This is literally just me giving you free gems. Now, the first thing that has worked for me is having a British Airways American Express credit card. I know not a lot of people will have access to that, especially if you're in different parts of the world, but in the UK it is pretty accessible, easily accessible to a lot of people. So if you have a friend that could send you a referral link, you both can get points when you spend, I think at the time I signed up, when you spend about £1,000 within the first 3 months of signing up, you do get welcome bonus points. Like I think it was 4,000 Avios points at the time. So now Avios points are points you get for obviously doing your flying. So every time you fly within certain thousands of miles, you get thousands of points. And once you accumulate enough points, you can either get discounted tickets for flights, or you can even fly for free. For example, as of last week, if you had 18,000 points, you could get a return ticket to Paris, which is literally like a free trip to see one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Please check the rules. Now, this one shocked me. Who knew buying an orange could fly you to another country? So what I mean by that is Nectar points. At this time of my recording, guys, Nectar has an affiliation with Avios, so you can do like an auto conversion. I put a screenshot of what mine looks like. So when you convert every 400 Nectar points, it transfers to Avios, so that way you can build your points quicker. So now I've changed the way I shop completely. So I now shop at places that I get rewards. So for Nectar points, for example, Sainsbury's, or where else, Xoxo. So I fuel my car with Xoxo fuel, which is good for your car. At the same time, you do build up your Nectar points. So I will always check what petrol stations are participating in the Nectar, and then I obviously build my points that way, and yeah, converts automatically. So what else? Also sign up to different rewards programs for different flights. So what I mean by that is for example, One World, they have different airline partners that you can build your points from. Also Star Alliance. So check your countries, whatever airlines you use the most, check whatever alliance they have, like, or affiliation with other flights, other airlines, and that way you can accumulate like collective points and still use it towards your flights. But I'm hoping this makes some sort of sense to you guys, because you shouldn't be giving away free money in 2024. I can't remember the last time I paid for a full ticket, and I've taken a few big trips. So yeah, I hope this helps somebody, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment below. Also, if you have any suggestions for my subscribers, please put it down in the comments below so people can, you know, get free tip. Actually, let's do it this way. What are the tips and tricks you guys use to build your points in order to get cheaper tickets? Because that way you're probably helping someone else in the comments below who also has the passion to see the world like I do. I don't even know how many countries there are in the world now, but I kind of want to see them all as realistic as possible. Last year I did a few big trips, and I can tell you now, I did not pay the big bucks they were asking for, and that's because I gathered all these points. And you know, I kind of wish I knew sooner. I'd have been traveling a long time ago. But yeah, don't let the flight tickets, because I know there is a recession in the UK and it's not cheap to fly, but you shouldn't be paying too much. The only thing you should really be paying for is probably your hotels, and even that way you can still like get cheap hotels. But yeah, flight tickets I feel like puts people off traveling a lot. I hope this little tricks has helped someone, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my holiday. You guys can see I am currently in South Africa. I can tell you I did not pay anything for this ticket. I had enough reward points from my American Express card, and yeah, that paid for my trip. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my holiday, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.